Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we will be seeing how many each plane in this game, how many engines each plane how many engines each oh my goodness, how many engines I can't do this. Okay, how many engines let's just get into it. You'll understand from the title. Every plane, how many engines it needs. Oh my god, I said it right. So let's start with the C400. Let's go to the beach airports. Okay, see how many engines it needs to take off. First, let's try with 3 engines. Okay, let's go without flaps first, and then we might put on some flaps. Okay, let's go. Even without one engine, this thing excel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Forgot about that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you might wanna reach the takeoff speed, like now. Okay. We are.
Systems damaged.
Did we just lose our wheels? Why did that just happen? But it turns out we can fly with 3 engines. I mean, it's bad enough. I don't think we're gonna be able to fly with. Oh, I don't think we're gonna fly. We're gonna be able to fly with 2 engines. But let's just see. Okay, 0 flaps. And then let's go. This time, we're gonna stay straight because our outer engines are off. Be surprised if we even make it. If we even make it after, if we overrun and then just like take off after a little bit, then I'll still be surprised. I mean, it's looking good, not looking bad. Okay, rotate. Don't want to break our wheels again, which looks like is about to happen. Okay, nose wheel down. Okay, take off. Okay, can we just check that? Okay, no. Can we just like get up? Okay, so our speed is kind of going down. Just put the landing gear up. See if that will help. Okay, so if I just put the nose up a little bit more, then we could have to cough. So 2 engines does work. I highly doubt 1 engine will work, but try it for the memes, of course. Memes, just for the memes. Okay. Only 1 engine is running. Engine 3, you're our only hope. You are our only hope, mister. To keep the runway. I need to keep the plane on the runway. Kind of annoying. Like, gotta do what you gotta do. Take off. I mean, think we might be able to do it. No, we're not. I highly doubt that. Okay, now we can't even steer the plane. I mean, kind of. Yeah, that's not gonna go well. Need to reach 130 knots. Why are we even trying this point? Like, we're overrunning. We're not even on the runway. I can't even get back on the runway because my engine. Yep, you can see my rudder is all the way that way. But mean, we're back on the runway. Why when we go back on the runway, we lose speed? Oh no, 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 oh!
Systems damaged.
And now we are a boat. Okay. So this plane can fly with 2 engines. The C-400 can fly with 2 engines. Why? Like why? Why do these things exist? Okay. Now let's try the HC-400. Okay. So let's try first with 3 engines. Okay. Beautiful plane, by the way. I love this plane. Okay, let's take off. Well, hopefully take off. I'm expecting a takeoff. I'm gonna go in the cockpit because actually I'm just gonna stay in camera. Oh my goodness. Have to use the joystick also to get on the runway. Yeah, and this is gonna work. There we go. We are airborne. Okay. Okay, so that kind of worked. But why did I press finish or restart? I'm so stupid. Okay, that's my brother. You know why sometimes I don't use my mic. Okay, now let's try 2 engines. That is good. What am I engine 2 on? I'm gonna turn off engine 4. Okay, now we are good. Okay, let's go. Full power. This time we're gonna stay on the runway. I don't have to steer it as usual, which is annoying. Okay, we're getting to 100 knots. V1, we have reached V1. And rotate time. Hello. Hello. Oh my.
Systems damaged.
Yeah, that's what you kept playing. We're stalling.
Systems damaged.
Looks like this plane can't fly with 2 engines. So now let's try the MC-400. Also very beautiful plane. Even better in the other livery. Okay, so let's try 3 engines. Turn off engine 1. And then go full power. Steering off the runway again, as usual, annoying. Okay, can't get back on the runway. I'm gonna have to use the joystick, which is a bit risky because I might tilt my plane. And then, oh my god! And then that will break. Okay, we actually have the speed to rotate, and I didn't even realize because I was so concentrated on getting the plane on the runway. So let's restart. Let's actually use flaps 2 this time. And yeah, let's turn off engine 1 and engine 4. Now, let's go for full power. Oh my goodness. Okay. Come on, you can do this. I trust you. Come on. You can do this. I believe in you. I mean, we're looking good. We've reached V1. And rotates. Okay. This plane can operate with 2 engines. I again highly doubt it does with 1 engine. So let's try that. Let's do flaps 2 again. Steering off the runway again. I'm just gonna go into the cockpit cam because it's kind of easier. Okay, we are barely accelerating. Wow, my grammar is bad today. Okay. Come on. Come on. At least, if this reaches like V1, then I will actually be like kind of impressed. But like, takeoff is never gonna be a thing. There's no way. Oh, get back on the runway. Okay. We have almost reached V1. We are reaching the end of the runway. You might wanna hurry. Okay. V1. Usually when you say V1, like 2 seconds after, you like rotate. But like here, just like no. Yeah, no. Are we even off the ground? Come on. And we're starting. Yep. Okay, so this plane can also operate with 1 engine. I mean, 2 engines. What am I talking about? Let's try the RL-42. Okay. Now this plane actually only has 2 engines, so we're just gonna have to go for 1. Okay. Okay. 1 engine. Turn off engine 1. Gonna go for flaps 2. And then we're gonna go for full power. Already steering off the runway.